checking out here in JW Marriott Resort in Palm Spring, and we are transferring to another resort in time for Julie's birthday. So, off we go. And yes, we are back here in Terranea Resort, one of our family's favorite resort here in LA. And so we're staying here for my sister Julie's birthday.
Another hotel hopping, and this time it's my first time here in Terranea. So I'm so happy that my brother is surprising me to come here. Yay!
It's beautiful. Yes,
Such
we were
a
from
breeze, so
yeah, we were from Palm Spring, and it was
yes.
hot, like 140, 120 degrees. And here we're down to 70. It's beautiful
Such
in here.
breeze, so relaxing.
Yeah.
You guys should check out Terranea. It's very nice here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julie. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Terranea. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julie. Happy birthday to you.
One, two, three. Good morning, Terranea. It's my birthday today, and I'm so happy. It's so bright and sunny outside, and I'm enjoying the water, the sun, the beach, the palm trees, and everything with my family. So, go with me as I celebrate my birthday today. It's gonna be an all-day celebration, and we're gonna have a dinner bath later with my family again. And here's my baby boy, Layton. And so we are swimming under the sun with this very warm water temperature in Terranea
It's
Resort.
68 degrees Fahrenheit, way
Yes.
better than the pump spring for 120.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's beautiful, beautiful out here.
Look at the view. And land entirely in this. Alright.
And we're now gonna be ready to under the pool in 1, 2, 3.
Go, 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 go. Bulaga. Bulaga.
Ilan ya, Pilon?
Okay. Kana ablian. Oh my god.
Thank you. Today we're doing the dinosaur pool party. Are you ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julie. Happy birthday to you.
And this is the end of our 4-day Deecation adventure in Palm Spring for Julie's birthday. So I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog, and if you do, please do like, share, and subscribe.
Let's go.
All right, let's bye.